The reason kung bakit first band kami, tangina, do not delay. Dapat hindi ma-delay. Game!
Let's go. Ano kayo? Slow tayo. Mga pwede na dyan. Talk about the things I said and what they meant. And we break it down for you to understand. Love is sexy now. I don't need you to break it all apart. I understand the terror for the man's heart. That girl's gonna hold on me. Nobody else to stop me. Take me down while you sleep with the one. Take a place to be. You wanna change me? You want me to be? Send them your thing. Now, my love, you can't have me. I'm not you. You think I'm dead, not the heart. I will not give in there easily. No, no. But don't you dare to tell you what a man's heart. That man's gonna hold on me. You got me, then nobody else can stop me. Go run, go run, go run. Oh, love you can have me, love you can have me. No, 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 no. You were made to me instead of your thing. Yeah. You can't have me. I'm not sure. You didn't break enough for her. I will not give it up easily.
Thank you. Kami po ang banding tune and delay. The first song that we're... Thursday.
Ay na, nabibigla kami! Ang saya!
Yo, all throughout set namin, buong album ng Pressure to Succeed.
Yeah!
Yung first time namin ito ginawa, so sana magustuhan nyo. Warning outcome. Next song namin. Next song, sa second album, title nito.
Pwede nga patay yung ilaw dito?
The Dream.
Ay wag na, baka hindi ko makita yung chords.
Yung alam niyo yung kanta, sabay nyo.
People of war, shut up! Stand up! Look up, and there you go! For me, you're feeling the day, something so sad for me. so far. You did this in my life.
Thank you. Ayun muna pre ah.
Pare, yung drummer namin taga Germany. Palapakan naman natin yung drummer namin from Germany pa yan, pare. Grabe. Where are you from Germany, man? What? Oh, I don't know what he's saying, man. Pero palapakan natin to! Sa amin, pare, sa Duna Delay, siya lang yung nagta-turnstile talaga. Pero tangina, tawa-tawa kami for turnstile. Hirap lang, hindi ko mautusan tong German na to. Ako yung inuutusan.
Can't stop while breathing. Never sleep. Keep dreaming. All through into the bar. You live and die. Yeah, you live and you. You live and die. I can feel it beat lost inside me. You felt with his hands on me. Yeah, I could have been in the heart inside me. The thing that I love is everything you can't touch. Deeper, deeper, yeah, yeah. You're gonna shoot this head on me. In the desert, the deeper residence of the night. What's that? It's on!
Delay. Maraming salamat sa mga hindi kayo mahilig mag-slap. Pag nadadala na kayo, ilabas niyo yan. Pero serve niyo muna kasi marami pong banda na tulad sa amin. For our next song, again kami yung bandang Duna Delay. So mag-play kami ng dalawang originals namin. Sana magustuhan niyo. Maraming salamat sa Cinemine sa kailan ng event na to sa nag-celebrate ng birthday. Happy birthday bro. for birthdays to come. Ilan ka pa na? 15 years of madness. Marami pa yan. Bro, let's go.
Itong song na to available sa Spotify, sana magustuhan nyo. Title ng song is Incomplete, para sa mga taong medyo, ano mo yun, minsan feeling mo na medyo kulang, pero yung pala nandyan lang pala yung magpapakomplete sa'yo nasa paligid. I love you, mommy. Dito pala asawa. Nagpapalakas na ako sa asawa ko. Pero hindi talaga yung meaning ng song. Joke lang. Okay?
Let's go! When I do go, your smile seems so unsure. Let me go. Yeah, you won't tie my shoes. Did you know that you belong? You are so bad. Here's your name. You want it, backing me up till there's no more to stand. That arms alibis, making my world and regret don't behind. Hey! Did you know that I'm beautiful? You are so bad. Don't use your name.
Di ako pala sa mga nasa third scene na makakinggan niya mga tugtugin namin. Pero kung magugustuhan niyo, available siya sa music platform namin. Check it out niyo.
Someone who is a pressure. I don't wanna stay anymore. And if you go, I don't want to rush you. Feel that things that I don't care anymore. But if you go, I don't want to miss the passion. I don't wanna stay anymore. I was feeling like wasting all those many times. But people thought that what's it doesn't make sense. We get lost, the such noise will make it worse. It's staying alive.
Thank you, thank you. Next song ulit. Isa pang original tapos Two Stepans tayo mamaya ulit. Okay. again, maraming salamat sa mga andito ngayon. We're celebrating birthday ni Mike. Thank you. Matthew! Yo, sorry Matthew. Yo, maraming salamat. More birthdays to come. Sa mga kaibigan niya nandito ngayon, supportin yung tropa nyo. Mahalin nyo, alagaan nyo.
May 5 po na sa most kami. Birthday ni Madam M. Happy birthday! Advance happy birthday, Madam M.
Boss M.
Sa May
Invite
25
sa amin
naman
dito.
po, nasa social house kasi kami kasama 1, 2, 3 Pikit at saka Arcadia. Sana makanood kayo. At saka End Street, of course, album launch na End Street.
Next up namin, original ulit. Title nito, The Great Mistake. Ano mo gusto nyo?
Baka naman tayo dito. Yeah! Let's go!
To the westward towers Corregidor Island, above which hover perpetual banks of cloud. Almost every evening, the last rays of the dying sun stream through, so gorgeous that Manila's reputation for matchless sunset pursues us people ever port of call.
Let's go! We make sense for the song we've been and we have done. God you, visit his body, but just for fun. It's not much to do. I'm not very bad, no. All watch the baby sing. I just see the letter break. Let's talk for the price we made for all the time. That's one. It's not much to do. I'm not very bad, no. All watch the baby sing. I just see the letter break. Why can't one forget the past ages? Every step was we had. Hoping it was perfect. Let's forget what I just can't. You're calling out your name. You're not staring at just the same. Looking for something, falling, crying. I've been listening every day. You're not staring at just the same. Looking for something, falling, crying. I've been listening every
Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat. Yung mga original namin yung dalawa. Yung isa na di ba available sa Spotify. Kung saan mo gusto nyo. Request nyo, na-record na namin.
Wala daw space, biglang nagtagalog yung German, no? Wala yung space.
Ayaw mo ba?
Balikan tayo Thursday, man.
Lalaro kami. Alam niyo ba yung kantang Pressure to Succeed ng album na Pressure to Succeed? Tirahin natin to. May nakakaalam ba? Gusto kami sabayan. Yan. Wala. Try natin. Let's go. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Order lang kayo ng food. Tama-tama, dinner na. Sandali lang. Okay daw. Naku, patay na, okay na.
Sure, phone. Alam niyo to. Maglalas songs kami para the pressure to sa Sid album. Kaya pa ba? Okay ka lang. Yeah! Okay. Next song namin, The Things You Do. Wait. Yun talaga yan eh. Pressure to succeed. Sure.
You would never understand the blue. No, I'll never be a boyfriend. No, love. I wanna speak. No, that's fine. Just live it out. I'll live up. Get there. You're never gonna change me. Get there. You're never gonna make us always. No one's alive. I'm not your ordinary. Ganun na lang eh. Fuck!
Sorry. Explicit pala yung album talaga yan. Okay na. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Marami pong natin natutugtog sa amin. Abangan natin yung mga cover songs and third style nila. Part 2 na to, so nagkaroon na dati.
Thank you so much, Alcap Entertainment. Thank you for inviting us here. 1 month naming inaway yung German drummer namin. So, ang dahil sa turnstile na to. Ano? Ay, hindi ba 1 month? Last song na po namin.
Lasog na kami!
Sana masuporta na po yung banda namin.
Oo.
You can like our Facebook, you can listen to our songs through Spotify. Tapos, ayun. Tapos pwede nyo rin kami bisitahin sa studio doon sa Pluto Astro. Yung nandun lang yun sa Sagiho, Makati. Kaya kung gusto nyo pumunta doon, Sir, ikaw, pagka bisita ka lang po doon, special guest namin po kayo. Sa taas lang po yun sa Sagiho. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much po for inviting us. Last song na po namin.
The song's called
How do you say goodbye in German? Ha? OPW. Ayun pala. Mas maganda yung sa kanya ba? Pangit yung akin. Pinoy na Pinoy.
Let's go.
Next song, Relentlessly. Oy, reveal dyan, no? Especially for you.
I love the vision.
Ready, bro.